Hi friends, welcome to Tally Tutorials Part 3. In previous video we have seen how to download the Tally. So in this we are going to see how to create company. So press on the icon. So here you have to come to work in education mode. So first you will get this type of page. So here the third one you can see, right, create company. In keyboard you can use C letter because see highlighting C letter is getting highlighted. So you can use C. By pressing C, it automatically open to the page. See, Tally is the only software we can use only with keyboard. Without mouse also we can use. Only with keyboard we will use. That is how said it is very flexible to use. So by pressing C we will get this. So give name. Let's assume that my company name is Mohan Srinivas. So mailing address you want to change, you change an address Ganapalli. Okay, country Andhra Pradesh, pin code 517325. So like this we have to give all details and phone number and all. If you want, give it, or else just leave it, and financial year and books beginning. And if you want to keep password, you can keep it. Now there is no need. If you want, if you're going to work in companies at that time we have to keep it. We are just practicing now, but anyway it's very simple. So base currency rupees, formal name INR, suffix no. You have to press S S S S, and by pressing on the rest we'll get accept. So again S. So company got created. See, Mohan Srinivas. Now watching entered. As I do know, first is company creation. After that ledger postings, and after that vouchering. So like that in process we have to go. So see here, select company and shed company and date paid. So this one is in selection, right? So if you want to shut down the company, okay, simply just press that one. So it got shut down. So you want again to go back to that same company. So here you can see select company. So press on that. So these all are companies I have created previously. So right now we want this Mohan Srinivas, right? So Mohan Srinivas and enter. So see, we'll get again to this page, and you can do display. We haven't done anything, no. So this is right now from this. So this one, this company got created. So after that, this masters is there, no. Next step is to we have to go to gateway of Tally and accounts info. We have to go to accounts info and ledgers. This we'll see in next video because ledgers is very care has to be taken. If we say speedily, it wouldn't be any good. So in next class I will show you ledger postings and difference between single ledger and multi ledger. Okay, and all this I'll come. See, this is name of the ledger. Type of teaser I'll tell you. Name of the ledger, let's say my name Mohan. It comes under capital account because I'm the investor, no, that's why it will become capital investor, sorry, capital account. Like that it will come. In next video we'll see it. Guys, if you like my video, please do subscribe, and for more videos press subscribe, and beside that you can see bell icon, press that. By that you can get my videos all without missing any video. Thank you guys, have a nice day.